I'm going to show you how to create a calendar that is public for viewing and then to show people how to import it into their calendar so that they can see your events on their calendar. So what you can see here on my screen is a chemistry calendar for one of the classes I teach. And if I go over to the side here and hover on the calendar and then click on the three dots, I can go to Settings and Sharing for that calendar. And I'm going to scroll down and notice that I have clicked on the box that says Make the calendar available to public. And the public will be able to see all the event details that I put on the calendar. So that's a good thing to choose here because what I put on that calendar are my homework assignments and my class happenings, tests and quizzes, all of those things go on there. So I'm going to scroll down, and here's where you can integrate the calendar. So I'm going to click on the public URL for this calendar, and then I'm going to use a copy shortcut on the keyboard to copy it. So now if I give someone this link, they'll be able to see the calendar. So I'm just going to switch over to a different Google account and paste that calendar link right into my browser window and go to it. And when I do that, here's what you see. So these are the events of that calendar. And now in this Google account, if I want all of those events to be copied into it, I just go down here and I click on the blue plus sign. So I'm going to click on that now. And then I get a pop-up. Do you want to add the calendar Honors Chemistry to your calendar? So I'm going to click Add. And now notice all of those events, they're the purple ones, have shown up on the calendar where they weren't before. That's a really handy way to teach students to add the events from your class calendar into their calendar so that they don't have to look two places to see what's happening in class. Those events just readily populate in their calendar. It's also really handy for parents. So if they're trying to keep track and help their students keep track of assignments and when things are due, they can import the calendar and then they can see those things too.